Is your Tesla Model S key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common culprit. This video guides you through the simple process of replacing the CR2032 battery in your fob, saving you time and money compared to a service appointment. Even with Tesla's push toward digital keys, physical fobs are still widely used, especially in older models. Your Model S key fob requires a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This standard battery size is widely available at drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers like Amazon. Ensure you purchase a fresh battery from a reputable brand for optimal performance and longevity. Avoid rechargeable alternatives. You'll only need a few basic tools for this task. A small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool are ideal for opening the key fob. A butter knife can work in a pinch, but be careful not to scratch the fob. Working in a static-free environment is recommended to prevent damage to the fob's internal electronics. Locate the seam between the front and back halves of the key fob. Gently insert your prying tool into this gap. Apply steady pressure to pop the clips that hold the casing together. Start at one end and work your way around to avoid cracking the plastic. Avoid using excessive force. Once the key fob is open, carefully lift out the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation. The positive plus side usually faces up. Place the new battery in the same orientation, ensuring it sits securely in the battery holder. Now that you've replaced the battery, align the back cover with the front casing of the key fob. Make sure the clips are lined up properly. Snap the back cover into place and press firmly to ensure all clips are securely engaged. You should hear a satisfying click as it locks together. Once reassembled, test the fob by attempting to lock or unlock your Tesla from a distance. The vehicle should respond immediately if the battery is working. If the fob doesn't work right away, try repairing it through your car's touchscreen settings in the Bluetooth or key fob menu. Tesla is increasingly focusing on digital key solutions like phone keys and key cards, reducing reliance on physical fobs. Future innovations may include energy harvesting fobs that eliminate the need for battery replacements altogether. However, for current Model S owners, understanding this simple battery replacement process remains a valuable skill. Tesla has been pushing toward digital alternatives to traditional key fobs. Phone keys allow you to use your smartphone as a car key through the Tesla app, offering convenience and enhanced security features. Over 60% of new Tesla buyers now opt for these digital solutions. Key cards provide another digital option, using NFC technology for seamless access without the need for batteries. These cards work alongside phone keys and offer a simple alternative to traditional fobs. Looking ahead, Tesla is exploring energy harvesting technologies for key fobs. Prototypes include kinetic or solar-powered devices that could generate their own power, eliminating the need for battery replacements. By 2030, physical fobs might be phased out in favor of fully integrated digital systems. In conclusion, Tesla's evolution toward digital and sustainable key technologies represents the future of automotive access. Yet, for those with older Model S vehicles, mastering the battery replacement process is still a practical and valuable ability.